errors and solutions. The first reason for even error is air leakage at air plug and jack connection. This may happen as plug has become loose after years of repeated use. And one more reason that could be the air plug is not installed correctly. See, a loose air plug gives an even error. The next cause is loose applied arm cuff. See, a loose cuff produces even error. Also, a twisted tube can also be the cause. To solve this, install air plug correctly. You can also hold the air plug as you see when the testing is in progress. Ensure the tube is straight with no twists. And the tightness of the cuff is such that two fingers easily slip in. So, with these best practices, the even error should get resolved. Last probability is the cuff and tubing is broken to hold pressure. Good advice is change batteries once before deciding on cuff replacement. During measurement, while the cuff is inflating, if you tend to move your arm, then the cuff is insufficiently inflated. See, this causes E2 error. To solve this, stay still and relaxed while the test is in progress. If this doesn't help, then the last try is to inflate the cuff manually until it is 30 to 40 units above the previous measurement results. Hope it works. From last error, when you inflate cuff manually and by any means, if the unit is above 299, then E3 error occurs. So, keep the pressure below 299 mm of mercury while manually inflating. While the test is in progress and you tend to adjust cuff, the sensor is not able to catch vein signals. See, this causes E4 error. To solve this, do not touch the cuff or talk while the test is in progress. While testing, if you are wearing thick attire or any other clothing is interfering with cuff, then this will cause E5 error. The other cause could be wrong orientation of the cuff. To solve this, put the cuff on bare arm, or if the clothing is thin enough, will also work well. Ensure the tubing orientation is as you see, and there is one thumb distance between cuff edge and elbow bend. With these best practices, the E5 error should get resolved. So, if no option works, then contact customer support. Check warranty period and keep the card handy.